I had purchased 2 of these lights and they had worked really good and I'd been really happy with them. And then one weekend I went to set 2 of them up and one of them didn't work. And I was about to try and return it. And right before I was going to return it, I decided to open it up. It looked like it was only a couple screws, take the back panel off. And I'm really glad I did, because sometimes things aren't really broken. They're just unplugged. Like this wire was just basically somehow had become unplugged. Whoops, this wire had somehow become unplugged. Doing things while holding the camera is damn near impossible. I'm always a mess while I'm doing stuff, and then after I get done doing stuff, I try to clean stuff up, but usually I do like a major cleaning once a week, and then like a bigger cleaning once a month, and maybe a bigger cleaning after that. Like, you know, once a quarter, actually pull everything out and such. And I don't really time it like that. It's just I start noticing corners and crevices and stuff that need deep cleaning, and then I'm ready to unscrew wall panels in order to get it clean sometimes. Anyways, I should turn the flash off so maybe you can see this better, although you'll probably be able to see it just fine as we test it right now. Now, this is only a $50 light, and for what it does for 50 bucks nowadays, compared to what you used to have to pay to get something like this that just works a little bit, it's going through its testing. I need 2 more of these lights. And I need to figure out a way to hang them above, sort of pointed down, instead of as low as when I magnet them to the bus. Bingo! I got 2. I got 2 lights that work. Yeah, buddy. No return. No return. Yeah. So happy about that. Just an unplugged part. I once bought a $500 gun safe for like $7 at that bin store in Florida. Got it back. I was a $300 barometric thumbprint gun safe. And anyways, I sold it on Amazon for just under full list price, basically. But you still lose a bunch to Amazon. But the only thing that was wrong with the thing is that the thing that reads your thumbprint was unplugged on the inside of it. So once I got the door open with the key and then looked around on the inside, I found the same thing that I found with this little light. That, sometimes you just got to find out if something's unplugged. And with modern technology nowadays, sometimes it just needs a hard reset, which a lot of things, a hard reset is unplug it from the wall, give it a couple of minutes, an actual couple of minutes, and then plug it back into the wall and the thing might work again.